Indoor air quality issues affect both our homes and workplaces. As a result, Air Care set out to develop a solution to address these concerns. The result was the Triton 440 HEPA Air Filtration System, a portable device that purifies indoor air in a variety of settings, including homes, schools, offices, hospitals, retail stores, and more. The Triton uses a two-stage air filtration process, beginning with a MERV 8 electrostatic pre-filter. This filter has several layers of cleaning, starting with a polypropylene mesh with antimicrobial and electrostatic properties. This layer uses static electricity to attract larger particles like hair and dander. The next layer is a melt-blown polyester fibrous material, which captures additional particles flowing through the filter. The second stage in the filtration process is a medical-grade HEPA filter. This filter is highly effective at removing 99.97% of dust, pollen, mold, bacteria, and any airborne particle down to the size of 0.3 microns. The now cleaned air is returned to the room. When looking for a purification product, it is important to consider how effectively the purifier can work. Air exchanges per hour is the method used to determine the effectiveness of the purifier. The Triton 440 has a rate of 4 exchanges per hour in a 20-foot by 40-foot room, which is 800 square feet. This exceeds the Environmental Protection Agency's minimum recommendation of 2 air exchanges per hour. If you need to purify an even larger room, like an auditorium or school, simply move 2 or more units into the room to increase the filtration effectiveness. The Triton 440 is easy to transport thanks to the 4 locking caster wheels. It also has just one easy-to-use control knob, which can be adjusted based on room size or filtration needs. Additionally, it features whisper quiet technology, producing only 55 decibels at 5 feet at maximum speed. The Triton 440 HEPA Air Filtration System from Air Care. A powerful, portable choice for anyone looking to improve the indoor air quality of their home, office, or any other location where clean, breathable air is desired.